Have you ever wondered how the landscape of scientific discovery might have looked were it not for the contributions of women throughout history? Let's turn back the hands of time and journey to the dawn of discovery. In the ancient civilization of Egypt, women were often healers, their knowledge of herbs and potions laying the foundation for modern pharmacology. Over in ancient Greece, we meet Hypatia, a woman of many firsts. She was not only a revered mathematician and philosopher, but also the head of the Neoplatonic school at Alexandria. Meanwhile, in ancient Rome, women were involved in engineering and architecture, their work shaping the city's iconic skyline. Despite living in societies where their roles were often restricted, these women pushed boundaries, their contributions echoing through the ages. So, what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Women have always been integral to science and discovery. Thus, in the ancient world, women were not mere observers but active contributors to science. As we venture into the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, the role of women in science takes on new dimensions. The Middle Ages were not always dark. There were bright spots, such as the remarkable Hildegard of Bingen, an abbess who turned her convent into a center of learning. Her extensive writings on botany and medicinal sciences were groundbreaking, enlightening many about the healing power of plants. Then we move into the Renaissance, a period of great cultural awakening. In this era, we encounter Maria Sibylla Merian, a naturalist and scientific illustrator. Her detailed observations and illustrations of insect metamorphosis shattered misconceptions and laid the groundwork for entomology. These women, and many others, pursued their scientific interests, made discoveries, and contributed to our understanding of the world. They did so in societies that often did not value their contributions, or even acknowledge their abilities. In spite of societal constraints, women in these eras continued to impact science in significant ways. The modern era ushered in a new age of scientific discovery, with women standing at the forefront of many breakthroughs. Let's consider some of the most influential female scientists of this era. Marie Curie must come to mind. Born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867, Curie was a pioneer in the field of radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and the only person to win the Nobel in two different sciences, physics and chemistry. Her work on radioactivity has revolutionized medical treatments and laid the foundation for the development of X-rays. Rosalind Franklin, another trailblazer, is known for her work on the molecular structures of DNA. Her X-ray diffraction images of DNA, captured in the early 1950s, led to the discovery of the DNA double helix. Although her contributions were initially overlooked, today we recognize her pivotal role in advancing our understanding of genetics. Then there's Jane Goodall, a primatologist who transformed our understanding of primates. Goodall's extensive field research on wild chimpanzees in Tanzania, starting in the 1960s, revealed that these animals make and use tools, a behavior previously thought to be exclusive to humans. These women and many more faced numerous barriers in their pursuit of scientific knowledge. Gender bias, lack of recognition, and limited opportunities often stood in their way. Despite these challenges, they persevered, their determination and passion for science shining through. Their work has had a profound impact on diverse scientific fields. They've changed the way we understand the world around us, from the smallest genetic building blocks to the complex behaviors of primates. Their discoveries have led to advancements in medicine, genetics, and conservation, among others. And their influence extends beyond their scientific contributions. They've inspired countless other women to pursue careers in science, breaking down barriers and challenging stereotypes. They've shown that women have a crucial role to play in scientific discovery, and their legacy continues to inspire and motivate. These women, along with countless others, have left indelible marks on the world of science. As we look to the future, how will the role of women in science continue to evolve? We stand at the precipice of a new era, where the contributions of women in science are becoming more recognized and celebrated. Today, women are not just participants, but leaders in scientific discovery, pushing boundaries and expanding our understanding of the universe. However, the journey is far from over. The challenges persist, from breaking the glass ceiling to balancing societal expectations. But these obstacles only serve to fuel the determination of women scientists. They are pioneers, charting unknown territories, and their discoveries are shaping the future of science. It is crucial that we continue to support and recognize these women, for their work is the foundation upon which future generations will build. Their success stories inspire young girls globally to dream big, to question, to explore, and to innovate. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of the world, one thing is clear: the future of science is inextricably linked to the contributions of women.